Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down both the Quest 2 headset and the controller you will reset. This prevents communication errors. Once done, remove any charging cables and flip the controller to expose the small reset hole near the battery area. Use a straightened paperclip or SIM eject tool. Press gently to avoid damage. Make sure Bluetooth on nearby devices is off so the controller won't reconnect mid-reset. This initial step clears transient pair data and prepares the controller for a full. Next, insert the tool into the reset hole and hold steady for about 10 to 12 seconds. You're aiming for a brief LED flicker or a small vibration that signals the controller reset occurred. If you don't feel a vibration, remove and replace the AA battery with a fresh one, then repeat the hold. Sometimes low power prevents the reset response. Once you release, wait at least 30 seconds so stored capacitors, discharge, and internal memory clears before moving to pairing steps. Finally, power the headset back on and go to Settings, Devices, then choose Pair New Controller. Follow on-screen prompts to complete pairing. If pairing fails, make sure batteries are fresh and the controller is within a few feet, then reboot the headset and retry the reset and pair sequence. As a troubleshooting tip, if repeated resets don't work, try swapping batteries or test the controller on another Quest 2. If hardware still won't respond, contact Oculus support or consider replacing the controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.